Hi there and welcome back. This is just a quick flip through the Woodland Walk journal that I've been working on over the last few weeks or so. There is 6 of these journals. There's 2 with that cover, 2 with that cover and 2 with that. I do need to finish the rest of them off. I obviously won't be doing a flip through for all of them because they're all virtually going to be the same. So this is a kit of mine. It's called Woodland Walk. It's available in my Etsy and on my Patreon. On Patreon you can find extra pages if you buy it from Patreon, and if you are a member of Patreon there is additional free sheets. I think there's 18 free sheets on there. So we're just going to have a quick look through. So it is, I have made it for a writing journal. There's not a lot of bulk in it because I want you to be able to write without all the bulk. Obviously there's odd things what has got a little bit of bulk, but overall there's not. And in the pockets I've added extra things to be able to write on. So I don't know how many pages there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there is 60 sides, is that? Yeah, 60 sides with additional flip outs and things. Okay, so we've got a kit page here. Just got a collage on there with some lace and trim, some lace and leaf trim down this edge. It's you could call it an A4 size journal. It's just over 8 inches by about 6 3/4 inches. So I've obviously printed the sheets out and just folded them in half. I've got a little pocket tuck there and a botanical. I have only just filmed finishing these, so some things have stuck together. Okay, I can put some washi down that. Okay, so yeah, I've used a book image and then put a folded piece of paper on it to give you some extra room, and then obviously it's not created any bulk because I've not added anything to it. You could definitely jazz it up if you so wanted. Another lovely cluster here with this netting on little bird, some Tim Holtz bits, and then a word there. Again, we've got a cluster there with a bit of lace. Kit page. Got a little envelope from the kit with a little piece of paper that you can obviously write on, which doesn't want to go back in, but it fits fine. I don't know why it's decided to do that. I've just used some scrapbook paper here and stuck 2 pieces in so you can write on there. Again, you could decorate it up if you so wished. Here I've just got another piece of paper and just done some stamping on the back just so it's not white. Got this fold out here, which is a trio, and that's one of the freebies. Some lace trim here. Got this little cluster type thing here with the pulley on, and some more leaf trim. an envelope here with a little tag, and I've done that on the top, which is quite cute. And then, oh, honestly, a flower fairy image there. And again, oh, honestly, it's because I obviously filmed it while I was gluing everything instead of letting things dry. Then we've got the extra writing inside, like so. We've got a flip down here for extra writing. So label with some leaf trim here. Got some extra writing space there and a little tuck there, and I've just put 2 bits of note paper. Oh, they do fit that way. Huh. Didn't think they fit that way. Lovely. There. A few Tim Holtz bits there. This folds out. You can definitely put plain paper on these fold outs if you wanted to use it for even more writing space, or you could add some pockets. Got an envelope here again with one of those papers with just a sticker on, and again, yeah, and then just 2 more of those little papers there. Some lace down there with some leaf trim, a side cluster there. Done quite a bit of sewing in these ones. Just stuck one of the fussy cuts on there and there. Another side cluster with this extra cluster stuck on it, like a whatever these are called, I've just forgotten. This flip out, put a little picture on there. We've got a see-through pocket there, that's just a Tim Holtz ephemera there, and another one of those which fold out, which has got the 2 writing spaces on. A little bit of the cover, what was left over, just made it into a frill. Sewed that down, cluster on there, and that flips out. I've left the middle plain because it's good writing space, or if you wanted to add pockets and whatever to it, then you've got the space to do so. Some leaf trim down there. Little CD envelope. I have stuck these down. I just wanted it, you know, for the prettiness, and you can obviously write at the back of it. Another flip down, just using some coffee stained index cards, and then just folded them to give you a hinge. Another kit page. Just threaded that ribbon down there just for a bit of pretty. Nice cluster there. And then this postcard up tuck. Another fairy image and the double folded paper inside. So yeah, lots of writing space. Just put eyelets on those and added some more of that ribbon. Another side cluster there, and one here. Another one of those writing note pages just popped in there. Then little Tim Holtz ephemera, and then a playing card, and I've just folded some paper down and just put a clip on it. You could clip that to there, but I like it. I like that. another one of these which goes to the side. Like I say, you can put writing paper on or pockets on, or just leave it as is. Got another one of those little papers in there with the sticker on. And then another book image where I've just stuck down 2 pieces of paper for you to write on. Little library card and ticket there, which has got, can you see the lace coffee stain in, and a cluster there. Little tuck here, just a bit little notelet paper there, and then another pull out. That's another freebie. Little birdie, little page decoration. And then they're just pictures out of a book. I like to just put something on each page so it's not so daunting to you know, start writing. Another little Tim Holtz piece of ephemera in there. Bit of a collage, which I enjoy doing. And then this one, I've added a flip out, so you've got extra writing space and you can still see the image on there. And then the back page, you could definitely add a pocket to the back if you so wished. So there is room to you know, add extra things in here. For me, I like this kind of thickness. It feels nice in hand, and like I say, it's easy enough to write in without it being too bumpy. So that is those. I'm gonna put this up on Etsy soon, either this week or next week, and I will be working on the other ones, and I'll just put them on Etsy as I finish working on them. I won't be doing another video, but on Etsy there is 10 photographs, so you can kind of see, you know, what's in it, but they will be all, you know, near about the same. It will just be that they've got different images, but they will be very similar. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back soon with my next project. Just need to clear some stuff off my desk before I start filming anything else, so there might be a little gap in videos. Okay, until next time, bye for now.